basically today I'll be carving an eagle, and I got the pattern from Jordy Johnson off of Carving Fusion. I'll be carving cotton, Cape Breton pine, sorry. And I just wanted to give an intro before I start carving. Okay, thanks. I'm supposed to have my mask on, but whatever. So this is where he's at now. So I'm gonna carve him deeper. I'm gonna bring him down. So I'll bring all this on the outside down first, and then I will carve his head back so his wing sticks out.